I'm back in Panama. I will be exploring some of the Pacific coast in the province of Veraguas, to be specific. This is my first time on this side of the country. I hope you enjoy the beautiful sceneries as much as I did. Thanks again for watching and enjoy the video. Good morning, welcome to another video. We're in Panama. We're in the Santa Catalina Island in the province of Veraguas. And I've been in Panama for about a day. Today we're gonna go check out some islands and then bring you along in this mini adventure. I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for coming back. Well, I guess we're about to go do a little snorkeling, little island hopping. It's about 8 a.m. Probably gonna be on until 4 o'clock, so we'll see how it goes. Ahora sí, salude. Okay, we're here about the boat. We're about to get on the boat to go for this I guess a 7-hour island hopping adventure. Hopefully we get to see some nice fish, some cool fish, maybe a shark or two. They dropped us up here at this island. The rest of the group is over there. They're snorkeling right now, so my mom didn't want to snorkel, so they dropped us up here at this beach while we wait for them. The water looks amazing, as you can see. We're gonna stop another 3 or 4 times, so I'll get a chance to snorkel later. Right now, I just want to get some aerial footage for the drone and then enjoy the beautiful beach. It's almost all to ourselves. Just my mom and I, and then another group, small group on that side. So other than that, it's just we have the whole place for ourselves for the next 30 minutes. So go ahead and enjoy the drone footage now. Yeah, I'm still here hanging out with my mom while we wait for the rest of our group. They're snorkeling, some right there. Yeah, but we're still having a great time here. Having a little lunch. Probably gonna go see the rest of the island. About 10 minutes. We still got another 10 minutes. And just like that, it was my turn to get in the water and explore some of these beautiful waters. Okay, we're now at the main island. We're gonna be here for about 20 minutes. This is the only one of the islands that have facilities, restrooms, and stuff like that. Before we continue, right now we're gonna climb up the stairs. We've been told that you can see all the islands from up there. You get a pretty nice view. Great view from up here. It was worth the hike. So here's the name of the island. This is what you can see. So first one, Rancheria. That's the one that we're gonna be going next. And then we got these two right here. This one right here, Isla Cocos. And those two are Islas Cocos. There are little hammocks up here, little picnic table. It's a pretty cool spot to have a picnic up here. It's nice. And just like that, I started to climb down. It's lunchtime. This is the lunch that we're given. Tuna and pasta. We're hungry, so it tastes good.
aquí que viene y lo saca, es la...
Y la prioridad es que nadie tiene que acercarse. Allá
Ah, sí, sí.
hasta los huevos te apagan. Y así, están los cocodrilos en la tierra.
I didn't have much luck this time. This reef, there's not that many fishes on this reef as the one that we were on earlier, but still nice. This is gonna be our last stop here at this island, and then we're gonna head back to the mainland. Probably gonna have dinner. I'll show a little bit about what we have for dinner, and then I'm gonna wrap it up after that. I'll do a little more snorkeling. Hopefully I get to see a cool fish. We're done with the tour. Now we're heading back to the hotel. I'm gonna jump in the pool to get all this salt water off me, and then probably gonna get something to eat right after that. It's already almost 4 o'clock. I'm starving. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Okay, we're back in the room right now. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. It's gonna be part 1 of a couple of videos that I'm planning to make here in Panama. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.